Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you my ultimate motovlogging setup that I use for all my videos. Let's dive right into it. This is like a common thing. People changing lanes but not overtaking. Okay guys, so here you can see my items that I use for this setup. First of all, the helmet of course, and here I have a mount, chin mount on the front. It is from POV Mounts. They're very good. Then I have the action camera. This is a GoPro Hero 13. I have the microphone, the cable for the microphone to the camera, the GoPro media mod, ND filters, and this is the case for the microphones and the mount. So next to that, I'm using the DJI receiver. You will see it in the video right here because I'm using it now, so I cannot show it. But basically what I do is I take the GoPro, I put it in the media mod from GoPro, and which allows me to put the audio jack into the GoPro directly, and this end I will put it into the media mod. With that, the GoPro, it will record the audio that these microphones are sending to the receiver, and you will get very crisp audio, but placement is key. Next, you see I have this ND filter on my lens. I have multiple here, you can see. I'm using ND16. Basically what this does, it's like sunglasses for your camera. It will help you to create cinematic videos with more motion blur for it to look very good, like in my videos that you can see. Then this microphone, I put it into my helmet. I have a spot that is right here by my mouth that I just stick in there like that. So what I've done here is I have put, it is very hard to see, but I have put a magnet. I've stuck it with 3M double-sided tape, and the magnet that comes with the DJI Mic minis, I've stuck it in my helmet. This way I can always just easily put it in there without effort and take it out, just like that. Super easy and quick. And the other microphone, I put it in my back pocket of my pants. And the reason I put it there is because if you put it in the front pocket or anywhere else, I've experienced very bad wind noise, and it just doesn't work. For me, the best works in my back pocket, and it's easy accessible. I can check if it's still recording as well. So that is the easiest way. And the back pocket of any pants works fine. You're not really sitting on it, you'll see. So that's how I do it. Basically, that's how I set it up. And now I will go through the settings with you of my GoPro. So let's turn it on. Okay, let's go through my settings. Here at the top, you have my log. I film in log. You will be able to use the LUTs that I use afterwards. 4K, 30 frames per second. Hyper view to capture the most and get more motion blur. Hyper smoothening off because I like my footage to look more rugged, but you can turn it on if you like. This is not important, but you can copy it. Pro Tune. These are my settings. Shutter auto, bitrate high, white balance auto, ISO minimum 100 and ISO maximum 400, sharpness lows, and denoise high. And these are my audio settings, but they don't really matter because as soon as you plug in the receiver with the cable, the GoPro will use the audio from the receiver only and not from your GoPro. And those are all the settings. I record basically the whole time, and when I have a moment that I think will be interesting, I press one time the power button and it will make a spot in the GoPro app on the video. It will mark it, and you will that way be able to go back to the footage and directly see where the interesting part is and cut it and download it. How I download my content is I connect my GoPro to my phone. For me, that has been the easiest with Bluetooth, and then I open the media and I download it straight to my phone. There the content will come in log, meaning that it will be very grayed out. And when it is like that, I then transfer it to my laptop, because I can only add the LUT from my laptop CapCut app and not from my phone CapCut app, because in the phone CapCut app you cannot add any LUTs. So I go to my laptop, do it, and then resend it back to me. It's a lot of sending back and forth, but once you've done it multiple times, it goes fast, and you can delete the content that you don't need after that you've added the LUT. I've been talking now about LUT a bit, but to explain to you what a LUT is basically a filter for color grading that you can automatically apply after in the editing software to be able to get the footage that you want it to look like. And for this I use the LUTs from Jay. I will link his LUTs in the description, and basically you can upload these directly in the CapCut app and select them as a filter and just overlay them on your video, and it will automatically apply, and then you just download the video and done. Okay guys, so that was my Motovlog setup. If you like it, give me a like. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. I will reply to all the comments and try to give you as much intel as possible. But it's really not that hard. You just need to know which settings, and I've showed you all my settings now, fully transparent, and how I use it. And editing, I don't do any other color grading. I just cut the videos and that's it. So yeah, let me know what you think of this video, and if you have any issues, just let me know in the comments and I'll reply to you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.